Thank you for your interest in the ProDVX management tool called ProManager. In this session, I would like to explain what ProManager is and why it could be interesting for you. First, let me explain what ProManager is. ProManager is a device management tool that consists of two parts: the ProManager kiosk and the ProManager cloud. The ProManager kiosk is the application that is running on each device, and ProManager Cloud is the tool to remotely manage all devices. ProManager Kiosk will enable a kiosk function on the device. ProManager Kiosk is offering device security management in order to enable only the required interaction with the device, such as removing the possibility for users to enter the settings or even switch between applications. This function enables the manager of the device to allow one specific application to auto-start and run without enabling the user to stop this application. Of course, this can be a web browser, also known as a kiosk browser. It also offers device policy and local feature management. With ProManager Kiosk, you can start an application or a web page on the device without enabling users of the device to stop this application. ProManager Cloud is the remote version of ProManager. It basically contains a remote version of all previously mentioned features, but also the option to group devices and log in into individual devices to verify the device status, application and policy management. ProManager Cloud offers user management for all users that interact with the displays. And a very interesting feature is the ability to perform application management. This enables the administrator to remotely install, manage and update any application of customer choice. Last but not least, it is offering operation system or firmware management. Within the same kernel version, it is now possible to remotely update the operating system of the device. Last but not least, ProManager Cloud can perform remote firmware updates. And of course, it is not just for one display or group, but it can handle multiple groups or displays. And this is how it could look. On the right-hand side of the slide, you can see some screenshots of ProManager Cloud, such as the dashboard, device groups. Here's a settings page, the logcat, and application management. Now, equipped with this fundamental understanding, I will focus more on the reasons behind utilizing ProManager for various customer segments. For our end customers, the use of ProManager enables them to implement a secure kiosk system without investing in complex software. Any application can become a kiosk application when deployed with ProManager. This includes applications, but also web pages. Imagine you have a kids' corner in your restaurant and you want to offer a game for your young customers. Simply install the game in ProManager and the kids will enjoy without the need for you to restart and continuously configuring the system. Or display a menu card, available on your website, an information kiosk featuring wine suggestions and allergy and nutrition information. The optional cloud service enables the monitoring of all ProDVX devices. It also makes deployment and management of the applications and settings possible. And of course, it enables remote support possibilities. This remote support could include remote firmware updates. Another group of customers are our channel partners. Why is ProManager interesting for them? System integrators can use ProManager for enterprise provisioning. The provisioning file contains all settings and applications that need to be deployed to the device of your choice. Deploying this provisioning file makes all the displays in that group install applications, commit all settings and basically become kiosk as requested in a single pass. This not only applies for the ProDVX Android enterprise models such as the SLB-E, but also for all the other Android models. The installation becomes extremely simple as it only needs a physically mounted and connected to the local network. The first implementation is asking then for the activation code. The display will then automatically fetch all applications and settings as instructed in that provisioning file. And then it works. Resellers could use these features optionally to offer display management as a service. The reseller can create his own account and put applications for customers in a single provisioning or activation code and deploy this as a service to their customers. There's no need to have any device preparation before installation. Software partners can fully focus on the development of the functionality of their applications. No need for deployment on the provided functionality of ProManager, being security, such as preventing users to exit their application, but also development of kiosk mode with auto start of their application. This is also handled by ProManager. Distribution of application updates can easily be handled by ProManager. But of course, ProDVX is proud to say that we have software partners with their own MDM and or EMM tool, which are much more functions and possibilities than what we have. They can easily be integrated into our ProDVX products, potentially using our ProDVX API, but that of course is subject of another webinar. Hopefully I have now triggered your interest. So what is the next step? Starting in Q2, all new Android models from ProDVX will have ProManager agent pre-installed in the firmware. For early deployment, ProDVX have an ADB procedure available on request. Please contact your account manager for more details and availability. For more details, test environment, cost indication and ordering of ProManager, please contact your account manager. Thank you for your attention. I hope I have triggered your interest. We will now answer your questions raised during this presentation. Of course, you can also contact your account manager later if you have additional questions or really specific ones.